Please subscribe Padhu Tech channel, like it and share it. General elections 2024, training to POs and APOs on 28 third month, that means March 2024 and 30th March 2024. So schedule, session wise, time and subject. 9:30 to 10 a.m. Distribution center, checking of EVM or VVPAT, polling material. Polling station arrangements and security arrangements. 10 to 10:30 a.m. Persons entitled to enter polling station, appointment of polling agent. Webcasting, micro observers. 10:30 to 11 a.m. Conduct of mock poll, sealing of CU and drop box of VVPAT ready for actual poll. 11 to 11:30 a.m. Replacement of EVM, VVPAT during or before actual poll. Reports to be prepared for replacement of EVM or VVPAT. 11:30 to 11:45 tea break. 11:45 to 12:15 p.m. Commencement of poll, polling procedure, polling officer duties. 12:15 to 1 p.m. Adjournment or stoppage of poll. Special cases, that means challenge vote, tender vote, test vote, blind and informed voter, refuse to vote. Close of poll, sealing of selection papers, the 6 packets and other materials. 1 to 1:45 lunch break. 1:45 to 2:30. 1:45 to 2:30 practical session on forms to be filled. Mock poll certificate, PO diary 17A, form 17C. 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. practical session on handling of EVMs, instruction on troubleshooting. 4:30 to 5:15 p.m. training video for the polling personnel. Please subscribe Padhu Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.